Welcome and thank you for joining us on the Bee Pete beekeeping channel, where we love to do everything beekeeping related. We are doing hive inspections today. It is the 7th of July 2025. We are going into colony number 5, which was some eggs that were taken from colony 1, lovely and calm colony, and they were put into the box just because the colony was completely and utterly jammed. As we are going to have a look, they are just on a single brood box, and bees are flying backwards and forwards quite happily, so no real concerns there. Something a bit weird with the front here, but we're probably okay there for a minute. Let's just open them up, quick inspections, then we can see what is going on there. Right, Jesus. Okay, that's well stuck down. Hey girlies. What are you all doing? The smoker went out a few hives ago, but everyone seems quite calm today, so I'm hoping this is no real change here, although girlies are coming to the top. I do now have a stinger in my jacket. Yeah, she's out. Okay, so the colony is actually doing pretty well. As you can see, they're on 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 frames. So signs that they're good. Might I put a super on them? Probably. We are in July, so they've still got a bit of time to go, and the numbers are strong. That's one. They've had a couple of empty frames in the last few weeks, just for them to start building out. Yeah, so that's all okay. It's quite crummy comb. I'll probably get replaced in a few weeks. So I've got some more 14 by 12 frames now, and 14 by 12 comb. I do have to do a bumper session on sterilising the frames, but look at that, stores throughout. This weighs a fair bit. Again, stores throughout. The concern is that they might end up running out of space, but we do have nice empty frames in the middle. They are working. Check out that brood pattern. It's awesome. So that's brood throughout the middle, stores on the top, and they are definitely doing well. I think Queenie is marked in this one. Yeah, I mean the brood looks good. I mean the gaps are where the wire is, so that's okay. So there are wires that run throughout the frames to stop them bending in the heat. Next frame. Yeah, looking good, and there's Girlie in the middle. Sorry, not in the middle of the lens now. She is laying, she's doing well. Again, it's a good frame. There's a couple of queen cells play cups over here. Oh, there's one there as well. Okay, so we have a bunch of play cups kicking around, which is not promising. So yeah, they are pretty busy. This feels like it should have another honey super on the top, so I'll get one of those made up. I'll go to the apiary. Again, empty frame, but I mean it's been laid up with eggs, weighs nothing, full of eggs. That side. And they're packing stores into this side. Let's see, right in the middle. There are eggs in that middle section. So we've got kind of 3 weeks until those middle sections start coming out and they start merging. Try not to squash you guys. Again, lovely big frame there. It's a new frame this year. Drawn out, massive biscuit colour brood, and they are running out of space. Yes, it's really good. There's no queen cells on this one. Let's check the next frame. We're definitely running out of space. Oh, there's a cell in the middle. On the other side. It's like a chocolate box full of pollen, that is. Turn it over. What's that? It's in the wrong place. It's kind of being tended to as well, which I'm slightly more concerned about, but it is empty. Good. Nothing in the outer sides either. It's kind of in the supersedure location, but there's again another plate up there. Yeah, definitely a space problem on this one. Should have probably souped them up a couple of weeks back. Okay, lovely, brood in the middle, honey along the top, spores there. Okay, that side all looks good as well, so there's a good quantity of bees in here. They're putting pollen down the bottom here. Come on girlies, off my fingers. Don't want to squish anyone. See how big your fingers are. Again, put a drone in the middle here. Once the drone is bigger, drones take longer to build. And they are physically bigger. They have different shaped cells. This side. Okay. I wasn't expecting this colony to be this excited. Let's just try and lift this. I might just have to go and light the smoker in a minute. Okay. Right, so I was a bit stuck to the outer frame. That's the weird bit in the middle, but this is actually all drawn and the backing doors into it. So, yes, requires super for honey storage. Let's just slide all these along. Girly. Mind butts. Try not to squash anyone. Again, last frame's back in. A bit of grass a bit too close to us there. Perfect, so round board can go back on top. On top of that, camera's taking a bit of a hit. Right, so thank you for watching. Do please comment, like, subscribe. Yeah, stick in the comments if you think they definitely need new super, because I certainly think they do. They are running out of space, and I will catch up with you on the next video. Thank you.